guys, welcome back to TKC Co. Tiffany here, welcome back to TKC Co. Alright, what's my TKC puppies? We're at IKEA right now, looking for some bins because we need to store some stuff. And yeah, so there's lots of bins here. But we're trying to look for like a small bin. So yeah, let's go. These are so cute bins. They're so cute. The perfect bins. Perfecto. I'm carrying them. So big, but we didn't find the caps that well. We only got one cap. I don't know why my mom chose that. So many bins, bin after bin, bin. Ow! These are perfect for storage. Like, that's so cute. Here, you guys, TKC puppies, you saw in the IKEA video on my adventure, I found chocolate bars at IKEA. They sell them. You guys, if you want to go get those chocolate bars, they're super yummy, so you can go get them at IKEA, and they're super good. But I'm going to give you my rating, so, of like the chocolate bars, how they taste. They're super good. So, first, I'm going to show you all the chocolate bars. So first we have the dark chocolate, the milk chocolate, and we have the milk chocolate with hazelnut. It's very good. Mostly my favorite is the dark chocolate. If you guys don't like chocolate, why? You don't like dark chocolate? But like, you guys, basically dark chocolate is for people who like healthy kind of, but I love it. So it's very good with other foods. It's good with like rice, mac and cheese. It's good with other foods for some reason. Because it like tastes more better and sweeter. So you guys go try that. And you guys, IKEA sell them. They're like a whole like box of them. Like right near the checkout. They're like, I was like, I want to grab more, but we only could grab. My ratings for them is dark chocolate 10 out of 10, milk chocolate 3 out of 10, and milk chocolate with hazelnuts is 7 out of 10. So you guys, comment down below if you got them and what's your rating of like how it tastes. Bye, TKC puppies, rough pout.